Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export chat from WhatsApp. So for you to do that, you have to open your WhatsApp, then tap at the gear button, also called settings on WhatsApp. Then you're going to scroll down a little, then tap on chat. Once you do that, then you tap at this particular option under chat backup, which is export chat. Once you do that, so from your list of friends you have, you can easily click a friends or a person you want to export the person's chat. So let's say I want to export this particular chat to a friend of mine to read our conversation history on WhatsApp. Then once I tap at the person's name, another option is going to pop up, which includes if I want to attach the media we've sent in the chat or just without media. So I'm going to add attach media, or just if you don't want to attach the media, I can easily go for without media. So I'm going to attach with media. So good, chat is export. Then I can just tap at this user and share it, and I also have captions. So let's say I want my captions for this export chat to be chat. Then I'm going to tap on send. Then that's it. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.